Hi, it's me again, Dwight, with another motivational moment. Today I wanted to show you all something that I get asked all of the time. How do I get in and out of my truck from my wheelchair? How do I drive it? Well, to get out of my truck, first I have to lower my seat down to the level of my wheelchair to allow me to transfer easily from one to the other. This setup uses electric motors and other assemblies that I control using these buttons to move my seat out of the door near the ground. Next, I have to get my wheelchair out of the bed of my truck. I use a remote control to operate the hydraulic arm that's mounted in the bed, and it lifts the chair up and swings it over to me where I can reach it. It also has a retractable strap, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Once I have the seat near me, I can shift myself over, and then I just need to put the seat and arm back up. This process was difficult the first few times. However, the more I did it, the easier it got. Like I always say, if you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. And then off I go. Getting in the truck is the same process, but in reverse. If I'm not careful, I'll accidentally swing the chair into the truck like I've done numerous times. These are the hand controls that I use to operate the accelerator and brakes. It was an interesting learning curve which led to some funny moments. In Mississippi, the Mississippi Department of Rehabilitation Services is essential to those with disabilities getting systems like this. So thank you all for watching. Like, follow, or subscribe for more motivational moments and talks. See you next time.